Hello and welcome to the second and final in a series of 2 Argos multilingual webcasts about terminology management and how this fits into your high-quality localization program. As we explained in part 1, by putting terminology first, your business will save money and time. In the second part, we'll explore how you can get started, how terms are selected, approved, and how they can fit into your translation process. The initial creation phase for terminology is split into 2 parts. The first of these is called term mining and is the process of extracting terminology candidates. This is usually done automatically through either specialist tools or through functionality found in many CAT tools. The second part of the process is candidate selection, which is usually a human process. A terminologist goes through the list of automatically extracted terms in order to establish which should be counted as genuine terminology. In the example here, we've used the terminology extraction functionality built into a translation tool. We've run the process over the openly available European Parliament corpus. This corpus contains around 60 million words and is often used for training machine translation engines, but here it's used to show how we can automatically extract terminology candidates where a manual extraction would simply take too long. As you can see, the output is an Excel file, which we can then take as a basis for the manual parts of this process. This slide shows the Excel file that is produced by the system. Source and target columns are titles highlighted in yellow, in this case, English from the United States and Polish. As you can see, the tool has extracted term candidates in various forms, the frequency they've appeared in the source as well as context. In this example, a terminologist might select member states as a term, but wouldn't include words such as people or important, even though they appear many times in the text because their meaning is clear, translation is straightforward. Once the term list has been created and translated, Argos uses the open term-based standard TBX, which allows easy exchange between the language tools which are used by linguists in a working format. Here we can see how the updated Excel file which we saw earlier can be imported into the translation tool. There are 2 concepts added with 2 English and 2 Polish translations. Here we can see the Terminology Manager interface in the translation tool for the specific entry member state. You can see the full concept while the entry also includes the context field which helps linguists understand how a concept is used. This is what the linguist sees when translating in the translation tool. Blue highlights are the recognized terms. By clicking on Member State, we can see the suggestion from the Terminology database. When moving the cursor over the translation, the linguist will see the full details of that term. Finally, terminology glossaries can be used to quickly carry out automated quality checks over entire translations. This means terminology is right first time before delivery and publishing. For more information on this aspect of terminology, see Argos' webcast about QA tools. So to summarize what we've seen in these 2 webcasts. Managing terminology helps to build and protect your brand. It will help to ensure consistent, high-quality translations. Your process and existing tools will help dictate the terminology solution which is right for your business. Establish metadata fields which will help you understand terms in the future. Make sure you assign an owner for terminology in your business. Ask your language service provider to build a terminology program for you. Get their terminologists on board. Make sure that your terminology is built around the TBX open standard. It means you're not trapped into any proprietary system. Thank you for watching our webcast. For more information on how we can help your business to grow, visit us at www.argosmultilingual.com.